Mr. Masding, 3 days here, 4 major bankers. All we've been doing really is, to put it crudely, poking at a lightly forming scab over a deep wound that continues to fester and fester underneath, arising, Mr. Masding, from the banking system that you said you grew up with, and the only one you know. An utter disaster, from the orgy of speculation and profiteering, now the collapse in the economy, leaving a whole generation of people, not just the 90-day arrears people, but those who are not in arrears and who are desperately striving to make their payments. Isn't it obvious, Mr. Masding, that you, as a state-owned bank, albeit by negative necessity, should be discussing with the Minister for Finance, with the government, a global response to this situation? And this ridiculous thing of putting everybody through a ringer and at the end of the day, or maybe at their graveside, you give them some kind of a write-down. Isn't the obvious solution that all the banks, with the government, should have a policy of a general write-down to today's values of people's homes and then the monthly payments written down accordingly? Isn't that the only sustainable solution to give people back their lives and to give the economy back some of the billions that are now going into these enforced mortgages that are ruining our shops, services, etc.?
Okay. Mr. Masding.
As I answered to Deputy McGrath, I am confident that we can build a viable and profitable bank within the boundaries that are set with us.
Say anything about a viable and profitable bank. Have you discussed with the Minister for Finance, or considered as a state-owned entity, a global approach to this disaster?
That is a policy decision. That is not for me to discuss. I am working as hard as I can with Shane to create certainty for those people who have had uncertainty for a long time, and that is my job.
Your certainty is you'll be at their graveside with your hand out to take whatever that they have left.
A question
in terms of debt.
All right. Question. Okay, comment moving on. Senator Sean Barrett, final question.